right, for this next example, we're going to be looking at solving those logarithms. So we looked at exponentials and we saw that if we had the same base, say 3 to the x equals 3 to the 4, we could get rid of those bases and just make it x equal to 4. Now with logarithms, if you have the same base, once again, you can go ahead and cancel out. So, for example, if I have the natural log of 4 of x equals the natural log of 4 of 2 plus 2x, why not? It's going to go ahead and equal x is equal to 2 plus 2x, and you'd solve and x equals -2. Now that works for natural log and the common log, which is that regular log that you see. So if they have the same base, they can cancel just as you would with those exponentials. All right, let's go ahead and get into that problem, make those disappear. So this first problem, we've got a is the natural log of 4x minus 7 equals the natural log of x plus 5. Well, they have the same base, that imaginary e. So we can go ahead and just set 4x minus 7 equal to x plus 5. Subtract x. And then add 7. 3x equals 12, and x equals 4. You can obviously check this if you plug it back in and then use your calculator and such. You will see that you'll get the same thing both sides. All right, so that's the case where we've got that base canceling out. Now let's go ahead and do a case of where we use the rewrite. So b is log base 2 of 5x minus 17 equals 3. Now we can go ahead and we see that we need to get x by itself at the end, and it is not going to happen in this form. So let's go ahead and rewrite to 2 to the third equals 5x minus 17. That gives us 8 equals 5x minus 17. Add 17. You get 25 equals 5x, and 5 equals x, and that is it. Now don't overthink these. In your book, if you look, what it does at this step instead of the rewrite is that it makes them both exponentials with the same base. So what I mean by that is it goes ahead and it says they're going to change it to 2 raised to the log base 2 of 5x minus 17 equals 2 to the third. It's taking in the rule that if we have the same base, we can cancel them out. So what it's doing is it is creating the same base by looking at that log base 2. Now I feel like that's a little bit extra, so what you can do is you can go ahead and use that rewrite. Once again, they are equivalent.